Hi, welcome to Pebbles. In today's class, we are going to see convert the following. In last class, we have seen measurement of length, measurement of mass, measurement of capacity. All those things we have seen. This is the last unit, measurement of capacity. I have already what are the formulas for this this unit, measurement of capacity. That is, I have told you already 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml and 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. So now we are going to convert the following. We will use the formula and convert the following. The first question we are going to start. Let's start the class. First question, A 0.4 L. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Okay, so this is, you know that very well. So I've already told you 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter and 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Ml is nothing but milliliter, L is equal to liter. So in this question they're asking 0.4 liter, that is liter is a bigger unit, and ml, that is milliliter, is equal to bigger unit. While you convert the bigger unit to smaller unit, you should multiply by 1000. That is very important, so don't forget this concept. So this is a bigger unit, so liter to milliliter you must convert. So this is a bigger unit and this is a smaller unit. B means bigger and S means smaller unit. That is what I mentioned on both the letter. So 0.4 into 1000. So you have to multiply. I've told you already. So no need to consider the decimal representation. That means 0. Just forget it. And you just write as it is 0.4 and 000 you have to write. Because in 1000 you have 3 zeros. You just write as it is the 3 zeros. Then this point move after 3 decimal place to the right. That means 400 milliliter. This is the right answer. I'll repeat once again, 0.4 into 1000 because 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So we are going to convert 0.4 into, because bigger unit to smaller unit means you have to multiply by 1000. So 0.4 into 1000. So what you're going to do, you don't consider the 0, you just consider the point, then 4 you have to write as it is. In the 1000, how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. You write the 3 zeros as it is. Then, so this point move 3 decimal place to the, this decimal point move 3 decimal place to the right direction. So the answer is, so this point moves after 400. So 400.0. So 400.0 means after the point you should not add 0, because even though if you add 0 there is no value for the 0. So just cancel the 0. So the answer is 400 milliliter. This is the right answer for the question. Then you have to 400 milliliter in this blank. Okay, this is the convert the following. So don't forget to write the units, that means milliliter or liter, whatever it may be, or gram or milligram or kilogram, whatever. Okay, so that means centimeter, millimeter, meter. So these are the units. So don't forget to write the units. So if you forget to write them, surely your teacher will reduce your mark. Okay, next one, 8.03 liter. Next question, B question we are going to solve right now. 8.03 liter is equal to how much milliliter? That we want to convert. So 8.03 into, that means this is the same, because liter is a bigger unit, milliliter is a smaller unit. So convert liter into milliliter. So convert bigger unit to smaller unit. That means you have to multiply by 1000. The same thing you have to apply in this place. So 1000. So you write as it is 8.0300. That means what is this? What I told you, 1000 means how many zeros? 3 zeros. You have to write after that 3 zeros. So this decimal point move 3. This decimal point move 3 decimal place to the right. That means the answer is 80. Here the 0. Here the point will come. Here the decimal point will come. 8030.00. That means 8030 milliliter. So after the point you should not consider the zeros, because there is no value for the zeros. So why should you consider the zeros? So no need to write, just quit. So after that, just left over 8030 milliliter. This is the right answer for the question. So next, third sum, 4000 milliliter. What is this? 4000 milliliter. Now you are converting to liter. So milliliter is a what unit? It is a smaller unit. Liter is a bigger unit. Very good. The smaller to bigger means what you are going to do? You have to divide by 1000. So the rule you have to apply. That means 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. So 4000 divided by 1000. So what are you going to do? 4000 divided by 1000. So from the right you have to see how many zeros in 1000? 3. Okay, 3 zeros. So you must what? Take over the 1, 2, 3. You must what? You must remove you just cancel all the zeros. So what? 4 divided by 1? 4. That means 4 liter. But otherwise you have to, that means you have to move the decimal point to the left. 3 decimal point move towards to the left. Okay, that means 4000. In 1000 how many zeros? That means 3 zeros. That's what you have to move 3 decimal place to the what? 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal place to the left and cancel the 0 after the point. So that means you can get 4 liter again. So you can do this method or this method, which is your convenience, which is your choice. You can do that. Again, I'll tell you always, if you divide it by 1000, that means what you're going to do, you have to move 3 decimal place, because in 1000 how many zeros? 3 zeros. So what you're going to do, you have to move 3 decimal place to the left. Move 3 decimal place to the left. That means 3 zeros cancels. You can get 4 by 1. Can get 4 liter. This way 4 is there, so 4 liter. This is the right answer for the question. You can choose any method, this or that is, which is your convenience, which is easy for you. You adopt this method. Okay. Next one. D. The sum is 1840 milliliter. So look at the sum, 1840 milliliter. So convert into liter again. So milliliter is a what unit? It is a smaller unit, and liter is a bigger unit. So what you're going to do, you have to divide by 1000. So 1840, I'll write big, 1840 divided by 1000. So look at this. So I've told you this 0 cancel. Okay, so 0 cancel. So how many zeros in 100? 2 zeros. So what you're going to do, you have to move you have to move, if you don't cancel the zeros, you just move, because in 1000 3 zeros. So that what you're going to do, you have to move 3 decimal place to the left. In such case, if you cancel the zeros, how many zeros in 100? Only 2 zeros. So you have to move 2 decimal place to the left. So that means 1, 2, 1, 2. The point is here. So 1.84 liter. This is the right answer for the question. I'll repeat only this again. So 1840 milliliter. 1840 milliliter. Convert into liter. So milliliter into liter means you have to what? Divide, because smaller to bigger means you have to divide by 1000. So 1840 divided by 1000. If you consider the 3 zeros means you have to move 3 decimal place to the left. In such case, if you cancel the zeros, only in 100 2 zeros. So what you're going to do, you have to move 2 decimal place to the left. So the answer is 1.84 liter. This is the right answer for the question. So you have to fill the answers in this place. I'm sorry, I forgot to write this. So 4 liter. This is the right answer for the question.